three options. Diglett? I don't know how, but a Register? My goodness! And a Porygon. Getting tired of the run, and I decided to end the video here. Not much happened after. I just got a few more Pokemon, nothing died, thankfully, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I'm sorry for the really loud audio on the beginning. I already know how to fix that. And yeah, thanks everybody. Be sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments ideas that you'd like to see for new videos. See you later. Now we're getting to the main part where you help Professor Birch, and here comes the twist I was trying to tell you. I'm not gonna tell you, you're gonna see it for yourself. Yes, this is a randomizer game. So we have three options. Diglett? I don't know how, but a Register? My goodness! And a Porygon. I'm going to I might regret this because I think Registeel only learns Explode, but I can give it a try. What the hell? A Blaziken! Really? Oh god, please. I have regretted my life decisions. I have to restart the game, and it's immediately the first time I'm playing it. I really should have thought about yeah. I'll get back to you. After that, sorry for the voice crack. We're back. Nothing happened. No one knows. Nothing happened. No one knows what happened. I think I might choose Porygon for this one. I don't usually like Porygon. I mean, it's better than Explosion. If I die again, I'm gonna be so bad. I'm going to be so mad. I swear. It's not even going to be funny. I don't know. I really don't want to have to do this. I really don't. Fight. I don't know what the hell this does. Okay, thank God. It's just it's safer. Yeah. Don't make me kill you and start with Diglett. Please. I love you, Porygon. You're so great. I swear I don't know how I lived all these years without trying to use you. Oh my god. So yeah, okay, Porygon was the choice. That's it. Now, Professor Bitch. may you give me my stuff? Oh yeah, I have to give it a nickname. I'm not sure. You're just gonna be called Miku. In the next video, maybe you guys can name it one of the Pokemon. I don't know what I find. If I find something really good, I'll just let you guys know. And yeah, let's see what Route 1 has for. No, I can't.
Meanwhile.
Hello, May. What should we do now? Please don't have a legendary. Please don't end my run. Please, I beg you, please. May, please. Okay, Rosalia. I'm not sure. I guess I win. I hope I win. You bitch. You already used Absorb. Ah, nice Porygon, I love it. She used Absorb again. This is gonna be spam battle. I'm gonna spam Tackle and she's gonna spam Absorb. I hope Porygon is... Nice hit, Porygon, I love you. Porygon, you're the god. I swear, Miku, I love you. You and that little precious blue beak. That's great, Porygon. And that beautiful blue tail. Damn, 2 levels. Nice. Nice. Not bad, not bad. I know, right? I know I'm pretty good. You don't have to thank me. So now that we're friends with May, I think we should just go get the Pokeballs and see what we can get for Route 1's first encounter. First encounter, let's go, a legendary, right now. Hey Marie. I guess, I do like Ampharos. Ampharos is a cool Pokemon. I never used it that much. Basically just, what's the name of it? Pixelmon. The Pokemon mod for Minecraft. That was basically the only time I used it, but it's a good Pokemon, I guess. I shall use it to paralyze my enemies. Those who stand before me will fall to paralysis. It can be useful to catch more Pokemon, I guess. Just for now, Marie, welcome to the team. You're gonna be a fine addition to our beautiful team. Let's see, what do you have to give? When am I gonna call you? I don't know. You're gonna be called 1, 2, 3 Sleep. Just because you're a sheep. So okay, that was our first encounter. Oh, a second encounter. Let's see what we could have gotten. Marie, go walk in the park, please. Get out. I'm sorry. I can't. I am really upset. And you left me with paralysis. Great. Please, Miku. Please, Miku. Move it. And now you flinch. Really? Thank you. Go fuck yourself. Bye-bye, Omastar. I'm not gonna die to you. I don't care. Miku is not that strong. I don't care. I don't give a shit. Yes, please, Nurse Joy. Cure my beautiful Pokemon. And let's see what Route 103 has in store for us. Fuck you. Marie, do the honors. Oh god, the start of the game and I already lost. Fuck you, really, Marie? You could have lowered his health to that? Bye for alligator. Nice, Marita. Oh god. So while I was grinding a few levels on my Pokemon, something really dumb happened. I was grinding a few levels on 1, 2, 3 Sleep and Porygon, and I had the genius idea to look away at my other screen and watch a YouTube video, and this is what happened. Hi Porygon, I got a better version of you. Really, on this grass there are a lot of good Pokemon. This is still Route 103. Interesting. Getting tired of the run, and I decided to end the video here. Not much happened after. I just got a few more Pokemon, nothing died, thankfully, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I'm sorry for the really loud audio on the beginning. I already know how to fix that, and yeah, thanks everybody. Be sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments ideas that you'd like to see for new videos. See you later!
吸血鬼はみんな私が殺すから。